What's up, guys? Welcome to East West Beats. I'm here recording a project for an artist, and the beat is super dope. It's coming out super nice, so I wanted to walk you guys through it. So let's do it. It's a little different format. I'll be talking to you. I'll be showing you the project as well. All right, so let's play it. Okay. All right, so some super simple things. First thing I'm using is Kick 2 plugin and just triggering a kick. So let's play the kick. It's punchy, right? And then here what I did is just to give it a little change, I played this little note right before the kick comes in. All right, next thing is simple claps. No effects on it. I think we can actually add some reverb on it, so let's do that. Let's just use chroma verb. I'm going to take the wet down. That's right, just a little bit. I think we can take out some low end from the clap too. That's right. All right, let's see what we got here next. Okay, so that's an effect, but then I also added a liquid delay and effectrix on top of that. Then we have some shakers. Again, they're panning left and right using camel space to do that. Make sure you add some effects to your percussion. Be it a reverb, be it a delay, it's really going to make a difference. Then we have some pianos. Oh, that's right. Okay. And then we have an 808. Simple. Simple. And I actually love using this plugin called UV Soft. It's basically their sampler, and you can bring in a sample and you can click sample right here. It'll tell you what note. You can just change the note to your root note of your plugin, and then you can play it. That's right. And then you can play it on your keys as well. And then I have 2 layers of synth basses. Yeah, groovy. Alright, so what this is doing is it actually has an LFO on it. And one is for the lower end, one is for the higher end of it. And then along with our 808, it sounds like this. Okay. Right. Alright, and that's it. That's it for the intro part. So let's play this. Super simple, super effective. And then here, we just drop the kick. We just drop the kick. Again, super simple. Break everything. And then I have a loop that came in here. That's it, guys. So it's a super simple beat. Couple instruments, bass, some piano, some 808s, some of your kicks, claps, your percussion. Let me know if you guys like this format. If you want to see small videos of songs being made like this, I could definitely do more. If you want to see something else, leave a comment below what you want to watch. Make sure you share, hit like, share, subscribe, do all of that. And I will see you guys at the next one. Oh, by the way, next time we meet, I'm going to do a remix from scratch. I have vocals from a very, very famous song from India, but it really shouldn't matter where the vocals are from. But we're going to do a simple Moombahton remix of that song. So make sure you guys hit subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon.